Can you use Roblox Studio on Xbox? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing whether it is possible to use Roblox Studio on Xbox or not. So now let's get started. So Roblox Studio is primarily designed for use on PC and Mac platforms. However, there are several methods available that allow users to engage with it while utilizing an Xbox console. One option is to use the remote play, which requires a PC to function. So by connecting your Xbox to a PC through Xbox Remote Play, you can effectively control Xbox Studio directly from your console, allowing for a more versatile gaming experience without needing to switch devices constantly. Another important method for those interested in making their games playable on the Xbox platform is to select the test for the Xbox option. Within the Roblox Studio, you can navigate to Game Settings, then go to Devices, where you will find the option to enable Xbox functionality. This will help ensure that the game is compatible with the Xbox environment, allowing players on that console to enjoy the experience that you have created. This means you can still have access to a wide range of experience shared by others. As of the latest information available, there has been no official announcement regarding the development of Roblox Studio specifically for the Xbox platform. However, it is worth noting that future updates and advancements could potentially lead to the introduction of a version that is more console-friendly, catering directly to the needs of Xbox players who are eager for enhanced functionality. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.